11 hours or something. We had out the whole bus, we had the screaming kids right in front of us the whole time. It was just really like a Winnebago thing. But yeah. Where was your favourite? I think New Zealand was like it. A little thing.
Very comfy, very warm, and British. Yeah.
Is it unknotted?
Yeah.
Go on then. Mind you, I'd have to touch it then, wouldn't I?
I've got 2 pillows, luxury. Right, just quickly, setup for today is MSR Elixir 1. What have I got in here? A couple of pillows, helium underneath that one. OEX Leviathan down bag. Pretty warm last time I used it, so hopefully tonight it will be. Cook kit, load of crap at the bottom, it's pretty standard stuff, you know where it's at. And let's get going.
Are you happy with that right over? Are you happy with that right over?
Burton Outdoors, currently outdoors with Ash Outdoors UK.
Hi.
And Dan from Camplife BushCraft.
Hello.
Evening, afternoon and welcome.
Hello and welcome.
You alright?
Yes, thanks. Are you?
Good, yeah, very good. Dan, you okay?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you.
Good. Let's get cutting wood because we need to get on because time is 3:15 and it's going to be dark in about an hour.
Need to get some wood.
Yeah.
I'm going to dig a little hole then.
Okay.
Where's the ponds? That way. Be on schedule.
Scheduler.
Am I on camera?
Yeah. Why are you going to swear?
No. Just going to look heroic.
You look like...
Look at Monkey Boy, he's on a swing.
Yeah. You look... Oh, that's... I suppose it doesn't matter.
In the sunset. I've got to get him.
Dan, Camplife BushCraft, currently... that's not me, by the way. I'm Burton Outdoors. Currently making Ash do retakes on a swing. I think it's a love swing. It's just sun's just setting now, it's 10 to 4 and it's a little bit warmer than it was earlier, but maybe that's because I've chopped a couple of twigs. You know, time me out, I'm a bit sleepy now. But generally it's good so far. Looking forward to cracking a beer open in a moment, hopefully. Goodbye. Are you happy now?
Worked, didn't it? No pressure.
Are you happy now, Mr. CLB?
Hey. Having an audience.
Yeah. Well,
Like a YouTube threesome.
let's hope it doesn't go out. You know, it's looking that way.
Time for my battery. Curricular activities.
No, that bushcraft shit. Are we having smoked lamb tonight, Ash? I can feel that warming up already though, Mr. CLB.
It's nice, isn't it?
Hmm.
I was looking forward to a fire. Let's hope it stays alight.
Jenga?
Jenga. Jenga.
Game of Jenga, what, yeah?
Good.
Fire! Burn outdoors, currently outdoors, shining a light in my face. Look. Ash Outdoors UK hoodie. Thank you, Ash, for my hoodie. It'll come in very handy as it is now because it's extremely chilly, but I'm going to put on some more garments on top. See you in a minute.
Every time we're filming, we're going to have to like, oh shit. I didn't realise you were filming me.
You're going to have to what?
I don't know. Like, say that we were actually talking. We didn't just like sit here and film each other for the whole night.
No.
Currently outdoors, cutting onions.
Fucking YouTubers.
Bettins.
What are we actually filming anyway?
Is it still on?
Yeah.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
A bit close, I think.
Fucking YouTuber. What's that light you got down there, Dan? That's brilliant.
It's Thinking bio. It's an O-lantern.
O lantern.
When you turn it off, see, you get that lovely little. So you can find the switch in the night. Isn't that great?
You're like something out of Alien at the moment. Quite bright enough.
Am I on your camera?
Maybe. Needed to be louder, that one.
Yeah, it's a bit of a squeaky one, isn't it? Go! Right, so Dan is retrieving the meat. Moment of truth. Ah, my knuckles. There you go. That's probably hot as well, isn't it?
So you knock that wine over.
It's alright, the lid's on. We don't even know if it's cooked though. Should we take some cut? If we take these strings off.
It's probably better to pull out before it's too late.
Cut, stick the knife right in it. That's done. That's definitely done. Look. Okay.
Look at the fucking YouTubers.
Another tray.
Do you want one? Do you need another one?
It's down. It's down. Alright, it doesn't matter if she's brushing anyway on the inside. No, it's fine. I need to go get a spoon. Please, sir, can I have some more? By the way, Dan's making me wear these gloves. Health and safety. Health and safety's all mad. Of course that fire should be roped off. That smells amazing.
Here we see the communal garden bushcraft wanker carving his meat.
I'm very delicate with it. I'm caressing it well. Bushcraft wanker.
Bushcraft wanker!
Oh, there we go. Right, let's get some plates on the go.
Okay. There you go, crispy. Right, there's two eco plates left. Oh fuck. Smoke.
That is really well cooked actually.
Nice.
It's really juicy as well. Who likes the fatty bit?
No,
And who likes the crispy bit?
I like fatty bits.
Yeah.
Crispy bits. I don't
Garlicky bits.
Oh yeah. Just bits.
Just bits. Steady bit.
Looks awesome.
Does look good. Quite excited now.
Yeah.
Well, I'm bloody starving.
Cancel that pizza I ordered.
Right. We've got some veggies on there as well.
Yeah.
Sure sport glue.
Help yourself, mate.
I've noticed the pinky then. Like that.
Certainly chilly when you move away from the fire.
It is, isn't it? Noticeable.
I think you're right, Dan, about the canopy.
Yeah, I think it's helping, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh. That's a grim noise.
You know, that's short, isn't it? Right, I'll do that and then help yourself some more.
Yeah.
More meat.
Meat.
There you go, Lee. Thanks for you, Tom. I'll go and dig mine out.
Thank you, mate.
Right, help yourself.
Should we put the lamb
Oh,
back
that
on the spit? Or should we
taste
just leave it
amazing.
there?
Evening tubers. It's 1:45. Much alcohol has been consumed. I'm now in my bed and I'm going to go to sleep. But first, I'm going to put a little bit of techno in my ears. The techno is in my ears. See you in the morning. Look at my fat boy! Laters. Good morning, good morning, good morning, my YouTube buddies. Yeah. That was a late one. I think we got to bed about 1:45-ish. Bit too much alcohol consumed as well. But really good night. Really good to meet Ash eventually. And obviously good to meet Dan as always. But I think we're all feeling a little bit delicate this morning. Just a tad. But yeah, it was a really good night and really good that we had a massive fire because it was freezing. But my Leviathan OEX down sleeping bag, brilliant, so warm, just a nice even warmth, just really warm. So I'll bring you back in a minute.
7.4.
Look at your boy there, wild swimmer.
Yeah.
About to go in. About to go in.
Don't judge. Milder than last week. Oh dear. That's a puppy.
Double GoPro.
Right, that's another camp over. Check the bags. Check the bags. Not these two. They're not bags. These are bags. I'd like to say thanks very much to Ash Outdoors UK. Link in the description, all the usual shite. And Dan from Camplife BushCraft. You know both of them, I'm sure. So thanks a lot, guys. It was a really good camp.
Cheers, Lee.
And
Thanks,
a little bit too much wine and merriment. But thanks a lot. See you later.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye! Burton Outdoors. Currently outdoors. In a wood. With a couple of weirdos. Here we go. There we have the other bushcraft wanker. In other words, vegans fuck off. Fucking YouTubers. All they fucking do is move the camera about constantly. Look at them. You fucking catch me doing that.